kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog. Parang ilang araw or ilang vlogs na tayo hindi na nakapag-close ng vlog. But anyway, today yung alis namin. Today is Monday. Holiday, March 10. And naka-ready na ako. Maaga ako nagising. Kaya naka-ready agad tayo. Tulog pa silang lahat nung nag-aayos ako dito. Yan, right. Inayos ko na dito. And binaba ko na rin yung mga ibang gamit. And naglinis ko na rin din yung bathroom. Ayan si Oli, tulog si Oli. Ayan siya, tulog pa. Tulog pa siya. Ang oras is 9:56 na. Ayan. Nalinis ko na dito. Ito, ibababa ko ito dun sa laundry nila. But, yeah. Natanggal ko na yung mga bakas ng buhok natin dito. Ayan. Diyan. And ayun yung basura na ibababa ko dito. Okay na din dyan. And yun, kukunin ko yan after ni Holly makapag-ayos siya. Tapos ito pala yung susuotin ni Holly. Ang init ngayon. Mas mainit ngayon compared kahapon. Ayan, gising na si Ayla. Naririnig ko na si Ayla. So, ito na lang yung ibababa ko. So, okay. Wala na yung mga chargers. Okay na dito. Good morning. Oh, get changed na baba. Naligo na to kahapon eh.
Oh, we have to go now?
Yes, baby. Ayaw niyo pang umuwi. Yeah, you have school on Wednesday. Why are you crying? Feeling mo, school holiday? Come on. Umiiyak siya kasi gusto niya para mag-stay longer. Sabi ko, hindi school holiday, nandito tayo para sa operasyon ng papa mo. Bukas kasi wala pa silang pasok doon sa school nila. May student free day silang tinatawag. Kahit naka-long weekend, may student free day pa rin sila. Pero kung may pasok na sila bukas, kahapon kami umalis. Pero dahil long weekend plus student free day, nag-stay tayo. You have to wash your face properly after I done your hair. I'm just gonna low ponytail to make sure very, very light. You have to brush your teeth. And then you put your lip gloss. Is that right? Yeah.
What time is it?
10.
Oh. I felt Dad patting me on the back. Good morning. I felt you trying to wake me up. But I can't wake up. I'm too sleepy. And we stayed at Sharon's for a little bit. And then for myself.
Tapos na siya mag-brush ng ipin.
There you go.
Okay. Put it in your...
I put it in here.
Okay. Na-makeup na natin yung bed dito. Okay, baba na ako. Okay na. Ito si Holly. May tubig din siya dito. Bigay ni Tito Danya. Baba na rin natin ito. Dito kayo sa baba. Nagluluto si Cici ng hotdog para kay Holly. Ang dami naman yan. Kumain na kasi yung mga bata din daw ng cereal. Okay na ba ito? Nag-init ako ng rice ni Holly. Nice hair. Nice hair. We're going home, Bobby. Ang ganun. Ang gana miss your soup. Yeah. Ang gana miss your soup. Ha? Ako dami kong labahan. Tapos lalabang ko yung uniform kasi umalis kami dito. Pagdating ko maglalaba rin si Tita Man na ng uniforms. Yeah. How about you? What you gonna do? Vomit. Drink, poo, and wee. And sleep, repeat. Repeat lang yan. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, who's smiling? Is that you? Yes, that you. Yeah. Yeah. Is that you, Baba? Is that you? Hello, Indy. Where are you going today? You're gonna see your cousins, Nana and Pa. Yeah. Aunties and uncle. Yeah. 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 Always na kami. Bye, Arlo boy.
I'm going now.
Oh, we're going. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
How about Ayla? Ate.
Say bye. Say buddy.
Bye.
Give an eye hug as
Say
well.
bye.
Tita Mana. See you,
Bye-bye.
Bobby.
See you later.
Oh, don't.
Tito John.
Huh?
Tito John.
You want water, sure, Bobby? Cuddle Tito John, ate? Sabi niya, you scary, Tito John. You're scary now, Tito
Let's
John.
go this side. Boom. Thanks, Ray.
You're very welcome.
Bobby.
Dan the man to Dan the man.
See you, Danny. Thank you
Safe
so
travel,
much.
girl.
Yes,
Let
thank
me
you.
get and take care of
Yeah,
driving.
yeah, thank you. Bobby, love you. Hello, lipstick. Kaalis lang namin kila Race, 11:13. 11:13. And tinutulungan ko si Jan magtingin-tingin ba kasi medyo na siya yung dito kasi yung niya, diba, yung operation niya dito. So ako tumitingin dito. Ako yung mata niya sa left niya. Okay, you're good here, Han, on my side. So, teamwork kami ngayon sa pagdadrive niya. Kasi hirap siya mag-ganon. Are you cold there, Babas? 38 degrees outside. Mas mainit nga ngayon compare kahapon. Wala tayong vlogs for 3 days, guys. Sobrang busy. Dahil kami nasa labas.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What But if your dreams are making it hard to think straight, if you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this, we could have been stars.
Where are we, Holly?
Ready Express.
What we gonna do?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? We're
Getting
gonna
ice cream, Baba?
ice cream and we're gonna put petrol. Time is 12:20. Ayan, stretching. Oh, ang init. Get ice cream, Bobby. Maybe I'm gonna get Milo, Baba.
Milo. What if they don't have it?
I think they do. Yeah, mag-Milo tayo yung ice cream. Medyo, ganyan yan. Sabi ko, hindi na ako kakain ng ice cream. Pero mag-ice cream tayo kasi sobrang init. Meron akong fruits pala dito. Ayan, may fruits. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung saan ko linagay yung tajin ko. So, may ice ako dito para malamig yung fruits natin. Ito yung binili namin nung nag-ano kami ni Race na T3 Plaza. So, meron akong mixed fruits dito. Inagay ko sa Ziploc kasi baka mag-leak. And also, kung maalala nyo, nagbalat ako ng lukban. Ayan, ang lamig niya. Ayan, so hindi ko siya masyadong hindi namin siya nakain, so dinala ko siya. Ayan yung pineapple, ang lamig ng pineapple. Si Jan baka magustuhan to. Ayan, pineapple, ang lamig. Kasi may ice. Dalawang bag na ice ang dinagay ko dito. So yan yung baon. And kung maalala nyo, may peanuts. Binili ito ni Sissy Reyes. Ayan. Dalawa to. Tig-isa kami. And, gusto kong kunin yung pagkain doon sa likod. Meron ako doon yung... Ay, hala, buti na siya nadulas. Nakahawak siya doon sa, ano, sa tubo. Yung, medyo may age na siya. Ay, ano ito, copyright. Eh, yun nga, kunin ko yun, yung nuts. Yung wasabi nuts, masarap. Yung sana meron doon sa Asian store. Kunin ko lang. Habang napapagas ang Johnny Boy. Nilagay ko pala dun sa grocery ng Asian yung ating tajin. Tapos eto, kung maalala nyo, kumain kami dito ni Cicely sa car niya. Eto ba yung peanuts nori wasabi. Masarap siya, guys. Mas gusto ko na siya kaysa dun sa peas. Kasi yung original ito talagang wasabi is peas. Eto, mas masarap siya para sa akin. Eto. Masarap din to. Eto yung nawala na pero may flavor to. Ano bang flavor nito? Na-vlog ko to eh. Dalawa kasing flavor nito. Ang bango niya. Milky siya. Ayan na si Holly. Ayan. Dala niya yung Milo. Thank you, Baba. Wait, a spoon. Okay, thank you. Very cold pineapple, hun. Do you
I
want?
got Oreo.
Not yet. Okay, you got Oreo. Okay. Okay. Shoot that, Baba. Ang daming ano nito. Ipakita nyo siya. Naka-bucket at sir. Kasi nga, yung tainga niya. Yummy? Mag-CR lang to si Jan. Where's my ice cream? You want some, Han? Huh? No?
Oh, one bit.
You want a bit though? Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, I like it.
Hirap din siya magnganga kasi na-stretch yung kanyang tainga. This is good. Ah, is that the sandwich Oreo?
Yep.
Oreo siya na malamig.
I love it.
Yeah, why you didn't get this one? You like this too, huh?
I haven't had this
Mm.
for a long time. And I forgot how it tastes.
Mm. Mamaya na ako mag-fruits. Okay, back to the road na kami. Done? Tapos na si Holly. How many degrees? But 37.5 outside.
And remember this. We could have been stardust.
Three spacious rides, hybrid efficiency, and the reassurance of driving ANCAP's safest large.
Stop kami dito sa Kingston para kumain ng lunch. Anong oras na ba?
You want some date, bub?
Hindi na siya lunch. 2:28 na.
White chocolate.
Humabol siya.
Well, I want two.
Yes,
I want two white chip and no.
2 of them. Are you sure? Or 1 of each? One. This is nice.
Two.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, 2 white chip macadamia nuts, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Hintayin ko pa yung order natin dun sa kabila. How much?
$3.90.
Ah, 50, 60, 70. Oh, it's not enough.
That's alright. If you give me those and that, I'll
Thank
find
you.
a 5-cent piece.
Thank you.
No worries. You're
Thank you.
welcome. Have a
Thank you.
great
You
day.
too. Kinuhaan ko si Jan ng ham and cheese, croissant, pinatoast ko, at saka yung lasagna nila. Nakita nyo na yung lasagna. Yung parang may crumbs. I get you ham and cheese croissant, Han? Toast. Yeah. And then you have the lasagna if you want. Lasagna. The lasagna? Is that the lasagna? Oh, croissant. Okay. Ang dumi ng ano, ng toilet. So, but that one?
Is the toilet stone?
No, it's yuck.
Silver.
Huh?
Silver.
What silver?
Silver toilet.
What is silver toilet?
Like, is it silver?
Oh, not silver. It's white. Yung seat akala niya silver, no. It's only in the small rest area they have that, Baba. But OTR, they have the regular toilet, but people just make it yucky. Yeah, ang dumi ng toilet. Ano kasi, both pwedeng gamitin, men and women.
This is so good.
Good. Kailangan nating umihi. So, ako tayong bongga. Tapos yung kasunod, kasi ako yung unang pumasok. Tapos, chinek ko yung isa. Tapos sabi nung, tapos may papasa rin niya, it's not really good. So, pumunta siya dun sa isa, sa disable. And, ewan ko kung pinasukan niya yun. Pero pumunta siya dun. Kasi hindi niya na pinasukan yung sabi ko, hindi malinis. But, gutom tayo. Ito yung sinasabi kong, ano, kay Jan. Kung kaya niya. Kasi hirap kasi si Jan mag-chew. So, kaya pinili ko sa kanya yung croissant kasi mas soft. Pero, binilang ko pa rin siya nito. Yung, masarap kasi ito. Gusto ko tong gawin, bite size, para pang baon-baon nila. Pero hindi pa natin nagagawa. Madali lang naman to, lasagna. Tapos, if i-freezer mo, tapos pwede mo siyang lagyan ng crumbs. After mag-harden na siya. Kasi nagawa ko na yung mac and cheese nito. But lasagna is good to. Eto, mayroon siyang potato. So, i-recreate ko to one
Mama,
day.
I also have wipes.
Huh?
I also have wipes.
Wipes? Yeah. You can use alcohol, Baba. Gusto ko sana mag-crispy cream. Kaso, pinigilan ko ang sarili ko. So, kinuha ko na lang is chicken tenders. Isa nito, yung chili at saka yung vinegar for original.
So, white cookies are the best because they're nice and soft.
The cookies. You don't want chicken? Natulog siya eh. Juicy siya. Init. Ano na? 38. Bumaba dito. 38. good ba? At least kumakain na siya kasi ilang araw siya hindi masyado nakakain kasi nga nahihirapan siya magbuka ng bibig niya kasi na-stretch.
Second cookie, no. Then I can salt. What's your favorite one?
That one, the macadamia. Subway.
Fiber. Chocolate.
The chocolate mint is good too, but that one is good.
I don't like it.
No. Kuya TJ likes the mint.
I like it.
Dumaan kami sa Meningi kasi kung maalala nyo nung dumaan kami dun sa road na papuntang Keith, may road work doon. So iniwasan namin yon. Tapos dito naman sa Meningi, ang dami din na dumaan dito kasi holiday, di ba? Long weekend. So pauwi na rin yung iba. So madami kami nadaan ng caravans, mga sasakyan, and also mga police. Ang daming police.
Yeah, missing too.
Yeah, lots of, as in halos may police talaga. Kasi nga siguro holiday.
And they saw a reindeer.
Yeah. And ano pa ba? Yun lang. Kasi hindi ako pinapadrive ni John. I'm good, babe. I have my chicken. Want some? Nalok niya kami kung gusto namin ng ano.
Spotty.
Ano ba? Macaroni. O, lasagna. Naubos na pala namin yung pineapple. Tulog siya. Si John halos kumain ng pineapple kasi malam. Yeah, before, but we finish it. Hindi ko to ginamit kasi sensitive si John ngayon.
Sensitive?
Oo. Kasi ayoko siyang mag-sneeze kasi yun ang iniiwasan niya na wag mag-sneeze kasi Diyos ko Lord. Pag nag-sneeze siya baka mag-ano yung tahi sa tenga niya. Hintay sa kanya dito. Nasaya. Yun nga, si Auntie Mel pala, ida-drop off yung mga bata sa bahay kasi nga hindi kami duman ng kit. Kung duman kami ng kit, pwede namin silang daan. Sa back road kami.
There's a police back there.
Yeah. So, si Auntie Mel lang maghahatid sa kanila. Alas 4 daw kayo makarating sa bahay. Ang oras is 2:42.
Aren't we gonna get there at
4. And yung mga binili kong dami, ha? Hard to eat daw.
Because it hurts his throat when he swallows.
Yeah, kasi nung pala siya, yung may tube na pinasok din sa kanya dito. So yun, nag-bleed nga yun eh. Yeah, nag-bleed yun before. After ng operation. So yun, parang nagasgas yung sa throat niya. Kasi nung operan daw siya, nilagyan daw siya ng tube sa throat. Let's go, babe. So hot. Lapit na kami sa bahay. And tingnan nyo yung weather namin. Napaka-gloomy.
Cold air.
Cold air. Nag-drop ng 15 degrees yung temperature dito sa amin. Kasi diba, 40, now 25. And yung boys, tumawag na si Kuya, nasa bahay na raw sila, natin na sila ni Auntie Mel. And we're back, baba. Nakatok ni Holly yung boys kasi sila yung magbababa ng mga gamit namin. Kasi si Daddy, hindi pwede. Asan ka na, Baba? Where are they? Oh, diba? Sana. Help!
Hi, Paul.
Riding? Ah, wala si Kuya. Nag-ride ng bike. Malamig yung bike. Inonisak yung aircon. Patayin natin kasi medyo malamig na eh. Init na init si Sak. Kasi kanina daw mainit talaga. Oh, ano to? Did Auntie Mel wash your clothes? Ha? Oh, thanks Auntie Mel. Linabahan na yung ano. And this is from Auntie Mel?
Yeah.
Oh. Binigay ni Auntie Mel yung roll-ups. Malinis pang bahay. Hiya, I miss you.
All this in the laundry.
Love you. Yes, please. I-haul ko yung nabili ko sa Sports Girl. Well, halo-halo to guys. Merong Target, Cotton On. Huh?
Is one from Target?
Yes, kasi binigyan ko si Holly sa Target. Hindi niya pa nakikita. Do you want me to do your?
Mine.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do my whole that you got me.
Oh, should I mag-hold? Alright. So, pumunta tayo ni Race. Nagtingin-tingin lang kami. Walang plano. Pumasok kami sa Forever New. And si Race yung una nag-try. Hinintay ko lang siya kasi wala akong plano. Kasi medyo malaki nga tayo. Tapos eto, pitit to. So, nagsukat si Race and nagustuhan niya yung size niya doon. Kasi sabi niya, medyo parang yung size doon ay malaki. Ata? Yes, malaki. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung anong size yung nakuha niya. But nagkasya yun sa kanya. Ang ganda ng fit. Panoorin, yeah, for sure. Papanoorin niyo yung ating Simple Race. So, eto, sabi ko, gusto ko yung kulay niya. Kaso, walang size. Kasi ako, size 10 ako. Ang natira na lang doon is size 12, 18. So, nung yung 12, pag sinukat ko siyang ganyan, ang haba niya para akong parang magwawalis. Tapos sabi nila, Manay, sukatin mo yung size 8, kakasya yan sa ko. Hindi ako ambisyosa, mag-size 8 ako kasi alam ko, 12 ako guys, 12, 14 ako ngayon. I mean, basta sukatin, sinukat ko guys, ang ganda ng fit at saka hindi kita yung aking yung aking mga rolls. So, ang ganda niya. So, size 8 ako sa Forever New. And petit size pa to ha. Ang ganda ng niya, ang ganda ng length niya, kasyang-kasya. Naka-sale na to, $99.95 siya. So, dati siyang 170 ata. Basta yan. So, 100 natin siya nakuha. Yeah, yesterday. Eto, nakita nyo na to, na binili natin to sa Lululemon. And, eto, nakita nyo na rin to, sinukat ko to sa Sports Girl. Maganda siya. Yung yellow gusto ko sana kasi wala akong size. Then, eto, ang ganda. Size. Huh? I think we're gonna have pizza tonight.
Dad better get me some spaghetti.
You're gonna get spaghetti. You didn't eat the spaghetti at Tito Dan.
Ew, look at that idea.
And eto, ang ganda ng fit niya. Size 16 to guys.
Oh, that looks cute.
Kinuha ko na lang kahit malaki siya kasi pwede naman siya i-adjust sa tali. Ang ganda kasi, nakita nyo to. Yan siya, tali siya. Tapos yung pink na shorts, kasi mayroon tayong pink na shorts. Ayan. So, nag-complement silang dalawa. So, para silang partner. Ang ganda. Ito size, ito size 8. O, diba? Size 8 ako dito. So, depende talaga kung anong brand din. Kasi usually talaga 10 or 12 ako. At ito ang ganda. Nakita nyo rin to. Sinasinukat ko. Linen siya. Ganda niya.
Is there a part for that?
Yeah.
No.
And eto, kinuha ko naman dalawang kulay nito kasi ang ganda ng fit. Sinukat ko yung size 10 nito. Okay siya. Pero size 8, mas okay din siya. So, kinuha ko na lang size 8. Ayan. Pareho lang sila. Iba lang ang kulay. Size 8. And ano pa ba? Eto din, kinuha natin. Nakita nyo itong sinukat ko. Meron pa ba ako dito?
I got netball training tomorrow.
Ha?
I got netball training tomorrow.
You got netball training. Okay, yan yung akin. Okay, mag-take over na si Holly.
My turn. Okay. So, is everything
Here, I think that's from, you can read.
So, is this? Oh, it's a cute little baby. It's cherry. This is from. Let me see. Where's it from? What's it
Here.
say? Kids Cotton On. Oh, it's a cute little baby, and it's cherry because all those ones hurt. The
Yeah.
other ones. So.
Maliit na kasi yung mga iba niyang maliit niyang Rashi or Baiters.
They're like this.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah. Size siya? Size, kinuha ko size 7 kasi yung 8 malaki sa kanya.
Okay. So, it's a
That's from Target.
Target. Oh.
Yeah, Tita Reyes found it. They said, Holly will like it.
Oh, this is cute. And so this is from Target, and it's so cute. It's got like stripes.
Yep.
Yep. I love this.
So I think most of it's in Target now, I think.
most of it in Target. Oh,
Tita Ray's found it as well.
that's so cute. Oh,
Gusto niya kasi yung may mga
it's kind of like a little crop top.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Gusto niya crop top.
Oh, I love this. Thank you. Little cute top. And it matches with the jumper.
Yeah.
We also got.
Gusto niya kasi yung ganyang, yung ganitong flare.
Yay!
Is it fit?
Yeah, look, it fits.
Yeah, kasi size 8 is a bit long. So, we got your size 5. So, yung 6 mahaba. Size 5 to. So, depending nga. Kasi pitit to si Holly. Oh, they didn't remove. Oh my God. How are we gonna do this? Hala. Hindi nila remove yung No, we cannot. I don't know how we're gonna remove this.
Oh, that.
Yeah. Show it.
It's shorts though.
For
Yeah,
dancing.
for dancing.
Hala, hindi nila
Don't think I can.
may sila, dapat may machine ka nito. We'll see. We'll ask Jan kung paano.
Oh, this is cute. What is this? These shorts.
Yeah.
I like
Kasi sa dance niya, kailangan black lang. So, binilang ko siya ng iba-ibang
Hala.
madaming black na shorts at saka, eto. Para siyang biker shorts.
Oh, what's this say? It says
Brats.
This is a cute top.
Saan namin ito nakuha? Came Big W ata. I think this is from Big W. Not sure. Target. Lahat pala Target.
Brat.
Okay.
Cute.
Maglalabas sana ako pero ang pangit ng langit. Ulap.
Tops.
Yeah.
Crop tops.
Yeah. So you can partner that
Purple.
one with this.
Yeah.
Or this. Okay. Kasi nga sa dancing. So you got 2. This is from Buns, I think.
Buns.
No. Not Buns. Only that other one. More black.
More
top.
black crop tops. We got this one. And we also have this one. They're both cute. One of these.
What? Partner, yeah.
Are these more flares?
Not really. I'm not sure. Yeah. Is it fit?
They look stretchy.
Yeah. Makapal siya. So, okay siya sa winter. So, para siyang ganito ang tela niya dun sa nauna. Ganito. Is it done?
No, one more left.
Okay. And another black.
Oh, this is so cute.
Alright?
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
So, yan guys, yung aking nabili sa kanya. Yung boys, hindi na. So,
Thank
sila na
you.
yung pumipili ng, you're welcome.
Thank
Sila na
you.
pumipili ng kanilang mga damit. Kaya, boys, they don't have.
Yeah, because they always get stains on it too.
That's right. And, yeah. Okay.
I love this.
So, magpipizza nga kami. Ito, paano kaya ito matatanggal ni Johnny Boy? Nag-brown out pala, guys.
actually go out?
Yes.
Yeah. And, ito na yung dinner. Si Holly kasi ayaw ng pizza. Ayaw ng pizza, so mag-spaghetti sila ni Kuya.
I didn't even know it went off.
What if you go in there and then
So, what's this, hon?
Wait.
Huh?
That's
Supreme.
wasn't real.
Supreme.
Said no, it's none of them.
Get 2
Nan
forks
what? Is this Hawaiian?
Wash your hands.
Ito yung Hawaiian. Kuya, close the vlog, please.
I can.
Kuya, please like.
Go,
Kuya,
Holly.
Kuya,
Go, Holly.
Please like.
Please just go over having it.
look at them, please. Nagta-thunder. Okay,
Go
yeah.
out again.
Kuya, look at the camera, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys. Thank you, Kuya.
Because I think I do want you next to me.